Hey, what is going on everybody? I'm Riz and you're watching the YouTube guide. Today I'm going to explain the YouTube algorithm as fast as possible. Now I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube and trust me, I've seen hour-long videos and it's not that long and it's not that complicated. So I'm going to break it down into 3 steps. So step number 1, how many people are clicking on it? Step number 2 is connected to the step number 1, which is how long are those people watching your video? YouTube loves it when people watch your whole video. Now, you have to keep in mind that not everybody's gonna watch your whole video, so it's okay. Just make sure the people are watching a good portion of your videos. Alright, now step number 3, it's not as important as the first 2, but it still works. Step number 3 is your title searchable for YouTube? So you have to make sure your video title is something that people are searching in YouTube, something similar to that. So this is it. That's the YouTube algorithm. If you want to know more, I'll be uploading more. So be sure to subscribe to this channel. I'm Riz. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.